There are so many great smart cameras for home to choose from, but I want to show you this Eufy security camera and doorbell setup. This package has a waterproof doorbell with a battery that can last up to 120 days. And a main unit or indoor chime where the memory card is stored and speaker for the doorbell. Here is an adapter for the power outlet. And here is the camera mount. The camera is charged right here. And these screws are to mount the bracket outside. Also here is a pin to remove the camera from the mounting unit. I will fully charge this doorbell before I set it up. I will need to install the Eufy app on my phone and install a memory card in the chime unit. Now I will plug in the main unit to the power outlet. The red light will first flash, then go solid. I will need to follow some simple instructions to set up the chime or main unit and the doorbell. I will need to press and hold the sync button at the top for 2 seconds until the light blinks green. Ensure that you are connected to your home Wi-Fi. I will hit next to connect the device. Now I will need to give the device access to Wi-Fi. Select your router and enter the password. The device should now be connected to the Wi-Fi. Once it is connected, give it a name. Once I confirm the name, the device should be added successfully. The system will check for a firmware update. Mine needs an update, so I will update the unit. Now the system will do an internet test. In my case, the connection is solid because the chime unit is close enough to the Wi-Fi router. Now it's time to add a doorbell. Note that you can add multiple doorbells for multiple doors. I will have to scan the barcode at the back. Now I need to press the sync button at the back until it beeps. I'll now hit next and the chime will try to connect to the doorbell. The doorbell was added. This is telling me that I need to fully charge the doorbell, then I should close the USB port cover after charging is completed. Now, where you install the camera doorbell will be determined by some settings you need to select. Settings such as where your door is facing, because it might be facing the street, and how far is your driveway from the street. Mine is over 10 feet. Now it's time to mount the camera with brackets. I will drill 2 holes in the wall and mount the bracket with the angle adapter. Your wall might be wood, so no drilling needed. You will just need to place the screws through the bracket and drive the screws into the wooden wall. But before you do that, open the app and go to live view. Position the camera where you might want to install it while checking the view on your phone. My sweet spot is right here. You can play around with the app and choose your desired setting. That's it for this camera. Remember to like the video if you found it informative. Also, share with someone who might need this information. See you on the next one, guys.